Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the hardware and software. Connect the Xbox controller via USB, Bluetooth, or the Xbox wireless adapter so the OS recognizes it. Install mapping software, Steam Input for games, Anti-Micro X or ReWASD for system-wide mapping, because these tools translate sticks and buttons into pointer and key events. Once done, grant necessary permissions in Windows or Mac OS. Make sure the controller battery is charged, and test the basic button responses before proceeding to map inputs. Now you map controls to mouse and keyboard functions, and you do this carefully so pointer feel is natural. Assign the left stick to mouse movement, tweak sensitivity and dead zones, and decide whether you want acceleration. Map face buttons to common keys like WASD, Enter, or ESC, and assign bumpers or thumbstick clicks as modifiers for Shift or Control. Use triggers for scroll or mouse clicks, and test each mapping in small steps so you can refine responsiveness and reduce jitter. Finish by refining sensitivity, creating profiles, and verifying reliability. Make separate profiles for desktop navigation, browsing, and specific games. Bind a profile switch to a button so you can change modes quickly. Save and export your configurations, and test common tasks like text input and drag select. If something fails, restart the mapping software, repair the controller, confirm the app has accessibility or input permissions, and check for conflicting drivers. One key tip: when pointer lags, reduce acceleration and increase polling rate if available.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.